Hello students, welcome to your new revision video class for your class 10. Today we will also, as per regular class, we will discuss some of your important questions regarding your coming board exam. Okay, so this is your first question from trigonometry. Okay, the question is like this: the sine a plus b, a plus 2b is given root 3 by 2, and cos a plus 4b is given as 0. The value of cos a plus 4b equal to 0. These two are the given data, and we have to find out a and b, the value of a and b. Okay, so for this type of questions, how to solve? We have to take the sine value here and cos value here. If we take both sides with some sine theta or some sine value or sine degree value, we can write this form is equal to this form. Okay, so this is sine a plus 2b, and what is the value of sine for root 3 by 2? You know, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So I can write root 3 by 2 as sine 60. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Why I am not writing cos 30 here? Because I need a sine form here. Okay, because sine is given here, it is in sine form. That's why I am searching for sine form having the value root 3 by 2, and I have the value sine 60 as root 3 by 2, so I have written sine 60 here. Because I can write now in next steps a plus b 2b equal to 60, because both sides sine form is there. Okay, because sine x, if sine x equal to sine y, I can write x equal to y, this x equal to y. Similarly, if sine a plus b is here as sine 60, I can write a plus b, a plus 2b equal to 60. Okay. Similarly, we are taking here in same way a plus 4b equal to what will be the cos value as 0? Cos 90 is 0. You have to memorize these things, degree value or table value of sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, theta values. Okay. So I can write now a plus 4b equal to 90 degree, because both sides there is cos form. Okay. So I got now a plus 2b as 60 and a plus 4b as 90. From these two values, these two datas, how I can get a or b? In what way I will get a and b? If I subtract this from this or this from this, the a will be cancelled. Okay, so I will proceed towards the subtraction process in the next step. So if I write here a plus 2b as 60 degree and subtracting, okay, subtracting, because this is the greater value, so I have written this value in the down of this. Okay, now subtract. This will be minus, this will be minus, this will be also minus. This is cancelled, a minus a. Here 4b is there, here minus 2b is there. 4b minus 2b, 2b, and 90 minus 60, 30. 90, and this is minus 60. So what will be the b? 2 into b. So the 2 will be divided here. It is multiplied here. Side changing, divided here, 15 degree, 30 by 2, 15 degree. So we got the value of b as 15 degree. This is one of its answer. So we have to find out the a value. Put the value of b here, a plus 2b matlab 2b means 2 into 50, Okay, 60 degree. A plus 2 into 15, 30 equal to 60 degree. So A equal to, if I take 30 from this side to this side, it will change its sign. Here plus sign is there, it will be minus here. So 30 degree. Okay. So the answer, one of its answer, another answer is A, this one. The value of A is 30 degree and value of B is 50 degree. Okay. This completes your first question's solution. Okay. Let's proceed to the next question. Now question number 2. Okay. From a different chapter, let us discuss the second question. Mixing number. Okay. Surface area and volume. Number 3. See, a right circular cylinder and a cone have same radius, same base radius. These radius are same. Okay. Cylinder cone have equal bases and equal height also. This height is equal to this height. This height is equal to this height and this base is equal to this base. If their curved surface area of cylinder by CSA of cone is given. Okay, as per question, this is cylinder, this is cone. Okay, the ratio 8:5. This ratio is 8:5. Then, so that the ratio between radius of their bases to their height is 3:4. So that ratio of their radius to the height, of their bases to their height is 3:4. We have to prove this one. Okay. So listen to the question again carefully. A right circular cylinder is there and a cone is there having same bases and same height. Okay. And the curved surface area of cylinder and cone is 8:5. Curved surface area of cylinder and cone is 8:5. Okay. So what, according to question, curved surface area of cylinder is how much? This is curved surface area 2 pi RH and this is curved surface area pi RL. Okay. Again, L is equal to R square plus S square root over, because this is S and this is L and this is R. Okay. So in case of cone, the relation between the slant height and the actual height and the radius of its base, it is in Pythagoras theorem formula. Okay. So let's write the formula as per question. Cylinder of CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH divided by CSA of cone pi RL is given as 8:5. Okay. So pi can be cancelled, RR can be cancelled. Okay. So 2H divided by L can be written as R square plus S square root over. Why I am writing this one? Because I have to show R by H as 3 by 4. So I am converting L into RH form, because I have to end it off the proof by R by H in LHS. Okay. So this is 8 by 5. So to cancel the root over here, let's squaring both sides. Okay. Let the squaring both sides. Let's square both sides. 2h whole square, 2h by r square plus h square whole square equal to 8 by 5 whole square. Okay. Let me change the pen. Okay. So calculate now. What is 2h whole square? 4h square divided by this root over can be cancelled, r square plus s square divided by 8 square 64 by 5 square 25. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next step. Okay. Now cross multiply 4h square into 25 equal to 64 into r square plus s square. 64 multiplied by this one and 4h square multiplied by 25. Okay. This one 100h square equal to 64 r square plus 64 s square. Okay. 64 into r square, 64 r square, 64 into s square, 64 s square. Okay. So 100h square minus 64 s square will be 64 r square. I am taking this 64 x square towards this by changing its sign. Now I will get 36 h square equal to 64 r square. I have to take r by h. Okay. So I am taking 36 by 64. I am taking 64 here and s square to this side. R square and this will be multiplied. It will be divided. This will be multiplied here. It will be divided in other side. So r by h will be how much? Root over of 36 64. Because r square by s square is here. So by making square root of these two, I will get r by h. So squaring both sides. Square root. By making square root of both these sides, it will become r by h and it will become square root of these two. That means how much? 6 by 8 equal to r by h. Now simplify. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 by 4 equal to r by h. Proved. Okay? Okay. Let's proceed to the next one. Number 4. Let's proceed to the number 4. It is from probability. Number 4, probability. Okay. So the question is like this. A dice is rolled twice. Dice rolled twice. Okay. Twice. Okay. Twice. The probability that 5 will not come of either time is 5 will not come. Probability of 5 will not come either side. Okay. So what is the probability? So let's calculate first. 5 will come. Okay. After that we will subtract it. So what is the sample space? What is the sample space for this one? If dice is rolled twice, the sample space will be 36. Okay. So 5 will come. So the events are 5, 1. Okay. 5 will not come. Events are 5 will come either. Okay. Events are. Let's calculate first. The 5 will come. Okay. Because 5 will not come, the events are so many. So the 5 will come events are countable. Okay, easily. So 5 2, 5 1, 1 5, 5 2, 2 5. Okay, 5 3, 3 5. Okay, 5 4, 4 5. Okay, 5 5. Okay, again 5 6, 6 5. These are the possibilities. Will come either. So these are the cases where 5 will come either side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so the number of events are 11. Okay, so percentage of probability of 5 will come either is equal to 11 by 36. Okay, so 5 will not come is how much? Five will not come. Probability of 5 will not come either. Will be how much? 1 minus 11 by 36. If it is 5 will come 11 by 36, 5 will not come 1 minus 11 by 36 because the total number of events are 1. Okay, as a whole. So 36 minus 11. This is 25 by 36. This is the answer. Okay. Let's proceed to the fifth number. Fifth number. If alpha beta are the zeros, what the equation? It is from fifth number. If alpha beta are the zeros of px, alpha and beta are zeros. Okay, of the polynomial x square minus k plus 6 x plus 2 into 2k minus 1. Okay, this is the polynomial where alpha beta has two zeros. Okay, then the value of k is, and alpha plus beta equal to half alpha beta. This is also given. Okay, alpha betas are zeros of this polynomial. Listen to the question. So find the value of k. Alpha betas are zeros of this polynomial x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1, and another, the sum of the two zeros are half of the product of two zeros. Then find k. Okay, so what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, okay, into half into c by a. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. Okay, what is b here? B equal to minus k plus 6. Okay, equal to minus k minus 6. Okay, and what is c here? 2 into 2k plus 1 minus 1. 2 into 2k minus 1. That means 4k minus 4. 2 into 2k minus 1. Is it correct? Okay. So 2 into 2k 4k, 2 into minus 1 2. 4k minus 2. Okay. So let's Put the values here. Minus b. B is how much? Minus k minus 6 by a. What is a? A is 1. Okay. A is 1. Here 1 is there. A is 1. 1 equal to half into. What is c? 4k minus 2 by a. What is a? 1. Okay. We have to simplify this one to get the value of k. Okay. So minus k plus 6 because another minus sign is here. So this should be reverse in sign. Thereby 1 means this one. K plus 1, k plus 6 by 1 means k plus 6 equal to this one. 4k minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Let's take this 2 here. It will be multiplied here because it is divided here. 2 into k plus 6 equal to 4k plus 2. 4k minus 2. Okay. Let's calculate the rest one. So multiply 2 into k, 2k plus 2 into 6, 12 equal to 4k minus 2. Could you follow up to this? Okay. So take this 12, take this minus 2 here, plus 2 equal to 4k. Take this 2k here, 2k. Okay. 12 plus 2, 14 equal to 4k minus 2k, 2k. Okay. So k will be 14 by 2 because k is multiplied to 2. So if I calculate k, these 2 will be multiplied in the other side to 7 jam. So 7 will be the value of k. Okay. So let's wind up here and we'll solve another 5 numbers of question in our next video class tomorrow. Thank you.